Things have been wild in crypto from last week. Bitcoin hit an all-time high of over $111,000. And then suddenly we saw a dip. You may have been thinking, what is going on and what's next? Well, in this video, I'm going to break it down for you. And I'm going to give you my views on the overall markets. So last week, Bitcoin surged past previous all-time highs. And this was fueled by massive demand from spot ETFs. Big public companies were loading up their balance sheets with Bitcoin, and strong momentum was seen across risk assets as inflation continued cooling off. The hype was real, but then came the sell-off. President Trump announced aggressive new tariffs. He stated 50% on EU imports, 25% on smartphones, and less production moves to the US. And these moves spooked global markets, sparking fears of another trade war. Investors pulled out of risk assets, Bitcoin included, and ran to safer plays like gold and the US dollar. Even though Bitcoin is considered a hedge, in the short term, it trades like a high-risk tech asset. When uncertainty hits, essentially at a global level, Bitcoin usually feels it fast. But here's where I stand. I personally believe this is a short-term noise. As we saw, Bitcoin is spiking up. And I believe that Bitcoin has strong fundamentals right now. ETFs are still buying, institutions are still coming in, and sentiment is still bullish overall. I think as we've done so, we'll continue to bounce back. And once Bitcoin stabilizes, I believe that we will see altcoins start to outperform. Historically, as we know, when Bitcoin cools off after a major run, liquidity tends to flow into altcoins. And I believe alt season is around the corner. So watch those high quality altcoins with strong utility and adoption. I'm personally looking at layer ones, AI tokens, and meme coins. Yes, I do believe that this is the meme coin super cycle. I am heavily invested in meme coins. And as I said, I believe that altcoins will see serious upside if Bitcoin consolidates or trends upwards again. Listen, I believe that time's running out. If you're sitting on the sidelines waiting for the perfect entry, you might miss the biggest move. Position yourself before the market takes off. This is your chance to make life-changing money, but only if you stay focused and believe in your potential. Don't let fear or FOMO control your trades. Have a strategy. Stick to your plan, and remember, long-term patience wins in this game. I still believe that we still have until the end of the year. And I believe that altcoins are going to have a heavy run. And if we have a look at the past month, we can see some altcoins waking up. So yeah, guys, this is not financial advice, of course. But if I was you and you are sidelined, I would consider getting in, because it's still not too late to be investing in altcoins. So I'm going to be sharing two of my meme coin gems. So I'm heavily invested in Pudgy Penguins, Pengu token, and I believe that this meme coin is absolutely great. It has a lot of the crypto influencers speaking about it. Their following is over 664,000 followers. Pengu, I believe, is going to sit up there with, the Shibas, the Dogecoin. So yeah, do not be sidelined on Pengu, because I believe Pengu is going to do very well in the altcoin run. Also, I want to share with you Foxy, which is a meme coin on the Linear blockchain. Linear is still due to basically come out, and I believe that they will do so very soon. And I believe that Foxy is a leverage play on Linear. And also, if you have a look at their followers, they've got 533,000. I believe that Foxy will also perform very well. It's currently at a great buying opportunity as it hasn't woken up compared to some of the other meme coins. So there you go, guys. If this video gave you any value, please drop a like, hit subscribe and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Comment below. Are you getting ready for alt season? Take care, guys, and remember, trade smart, stack that cash.